Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Citi thankyou account password step by step clearly. To reset your Citi thankyou account password, begin by navigating to the Citi login page. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on the Forgot Password link to proceed. You will be redirected to a new page asking for your user ID. Enter your user ID in the designated field. After entering your user ID, click on the Continue button. Next, you will need to verify your identity. Choose your preferred method of receiving a verification code, either via email or SMS. Once you select your method, click on the Continue button. Check your email or text messages for the verification code. Enter the verification code in the provided field on the website. After entering the code, click on the Continue button. You will now be prompted to create a new password. Make sure your new password meets the specified security requirements. Enter your new password in the respective fields. Confirm your new password by entering it again. Once you have entered both passwords, click on the Submit button. You should see a confirmation that your password has been successfully reset. Now, you can return to the login page to access your Citi thankyou account with your new password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.